Children, now we are in the rainy season. It rains everywhere. Is it safe to drink the water? It is not safe to drink all the water because it is contaminated. Take a half full of water. Take a glass half full of water. So we are going to learn water safe for drinking. Take a glass half full of water. Add a spoonful of sugar to it and stir it with a spoon. See what changes take place. Sugar dissolves upon stirring with a spoon. This means that it is dissolves in water. Repeat this experiment with each of the substance mentioned: common salt, honey, washing soda, powdered alum, sand, wheat flour, sawdust, turmeric, and some oil. Following substances completely dissolve in water upon stirring: common sugar, common salt, washing soda, powdered alum, and honey. These all dissolve in water. Following substance did not dissolve in water even after stirring: sand, wheat flour, sawdust, turmeric powder, and some oil. We come to know from this experiment that with certain substances we can form a solution. Solution. What is the meaning of solution? Some substances mix completely with water. These substances are said to be dissolved in water. When a substance dissolves in water, then the mixture formed of water and that substance is called a solution. Some substances do not dissolve in water. They do not form a solution.